This heavy-duty glass cutting kit can make easy work of any glass cutting job you have, big or small. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. My goal is to cut this piece of glass the size of this monitor because I want to use it as a light table. I do a lot of design and craft work, and it's good to have a light table for tracing. This can serve that purpose, but I don't want to hurt the delicate monitor surface. That's why I want glass to appear over top of it. That is perfect. Unbelievable. Wow. That is a perfect job. I am nowhere near an expert at glass cutting, and this did a perfect job. I am so very impressed. If needed, I could have used these rubber-tipped tools to break off little pieces that didn't have a clean break. Again, everything went perfect with this. There are extra cutting heads if this one should ever get dull or beat up. The screwdriver can help secure the head onto the cutting tool itself. Overall, this far exceeded my expectations. It's so nice to have a heavy-duty set of tools like this.